Hey there, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Please, if you are viewing our channel for the very first time, please subscribe to our channel and like this video. Today we want to teach you how you can reset E30 error on your Dstv E30 error. You see, this error can be very frustrating because you have a subscription and yet you cannot view your favorite program at the time when you want to view that, and it can be very frustrating. Probably you have a football match to watch or a program that is timed, and all of a sudden you turn on your TV and this error pops up. Now I'll give you 5 different methods in which you can reset this error. 5 different methods. Now the last method is probably the best. Method number 1. All things being equal, if your signal quality is okay and everything is okay, this error is expected to clear naturally within 15 minutes. Now, if this error does not clear naturally, the second method number 2, is to log in through your web page using your laptop, or log in through their app, log into the My Dstv app to reset this error. You can use your IUC number and the registered phone number of that decoder, log in, click on Fix Error, select E30 and click reset. Then you wait for about 15 minutes or so. If it does not reset within 15 minutes, you can repeat the step again. Now, if this method does not work, the next thing you can do is to restore the decoder to factory defaults. You reset by restoring to factory defaults. You press the menu button, go to settings, then you go to satellite settings, select restore to factory default, reset decoder, then select restore to factory defaults, then restore it to factory default. When you do this, it will take you to a fresh page like you bought the Dstv newly. Then you just have to select your language. Then after selecting your language, you can you select your satellite. Your satellite, probably as if you are staying in Southern Africa, you select ISO 20. ISO 20 is satellite for those in Southern Africa and the rest of them. That is ISO 20. That is Intelsat 20. But if you are staying in West Africa, like Nigeria, Ghana, and the rest of them, you select E36. That is the satellite they use here. Select E36. Then you click OK. Then the next one, it will take you to a place where you select your LNB type. If you are using the smart LNB, you select the smart LNB. Select the smart LNB if you are using the smart LNB. But if you're using universal LNB, select universal LNB, which is universal. Now when you've done this, you click OK. Then come down to a place where they wrote scan. Look at your tuner 1 and 2, and then you scan. You scan the decoder. Now after scanning the decoder, it is expected that the error should clear on its own. It's expected the error should clear on its own. But if this error does not clear, the next method is to look at your signal. Go to the help menu, press the Dstv menu button, go to help. Then when you go to help, go to general information. Then from general information, navigate to tuner status. Now look at your tuner status 1 and 2. If there is no signal in tuner status 1 or tuner status 2, then you know that there is no signal on the dish. So you go to your dish. First of all, you check your LNB. If your LNB is bad, you got to replace it. But if the LNB is good and probably the signal, it has lost signal due to alignment, you can do it yourself, or you can call an installer to help you with that. Now, let's assume that your signal is good, and the error still persists. Let's assume that your signal is good. Probably when you go to that place, your tuner status 1 has signal, but tuner status 2 does not have signal. What you do is that you look at the cable, which brings us to method number 5. Look at your ROG6 cable. If there is signal on tuner status 1 and there is no signal on tuner status 2, then your ROG6 cable is probably bad. These cables can go bad due to oxidation, especially if the outer layer is made up of aluminium. If it's made of copper, it's usually difficult for that cable to get spoiled. But if it's made of aluminium, then it can get oxidized. Now the next thing you look at is, if the cable is joined at any point, there's every tendency that corrosion has limited the signal quality and strength. So you can choose to cut it off and join it again, or you replace it entirely with a new cable. So I mentioned 5 methods here. The first is allow it to reset naturally. Now the second is using a My Dstv app or through their web page to run this E30 reset. You can also use your short SMS code to run this. Now the next method I mentioned is for you to run a factory default on this decoder. Now the fourth is to align your signal very well. Improve the quality of the signal. Then the next is to change the ROG6 cable if it's bad. And you can know if the ROG6 cable is bad if you look at the tuner status of the decoder. If tuner 1 is working well and tuner 2 there is no signal, probably it's writing -1, then you know that the cable is bad. You can change the cable. So that brings us to the end of this video. Please, if this video has helped you, please hit that subscribe button, like this video, and share to help others. Thank you very much. Once again, thank you for watching our video. We appreciate it.